How to recover deleted numbers on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you have accidentally deleted a contact or a phone number, don't worry. You can easily recover it. In today's video, I'll show you two different methods to get your contact back. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's start with the method 1, that is to sync with iCloud. So first, open the settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on your name at the very top to access your Apple ID settings. Now from here, simply scroll down and tap on iCloud. Now here in the iCloud section, you need to simply tap on See All. And after that, here you need to toggle off the contacts, and when prompted, you can select Keep on my iPhone. And now toggle the contacts option back on, and when prompted, simply select Merge. By doing this, your iPhone will resync with iCloud and bring back any contacts that are still stored there. And if the contact is still in iCloud, it will be restored to your iPhone. And with that, let's move forward to the method 2, that is to recover from Google contacts if applicable. So if you have your contacts sync with your Google account, you can recover them through Google Contact website. So simply open the web browser and go to contacts.google.com. Now log in to your Google account where your contacts are stored and find the contact that you want to recover. Now tap on it and select the three dots in the top right corner and then tap on Export. And then choose the vCard option, and after that you can download the exported file to your phone and the contact will be restored. And that's it. These two methods will help you to recover your deleted contacts quickly. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.